Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add Amazon wishlist. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon shopping app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to create an Amazon wishlist, here you can see the profile icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile settings page, now at the top right corner, you can see the list option. It might show you as a wish list option in some reasons. So you can select the list option. It'll take you to the page where you can create a list. You can see the plus icon over here. Tap on it. From here, you can create a new list. So you can create your own customized wish list. You can give any name to your wish list and tap on this create list. Now your wish list has been created. You can go back to your home page. You can explore different products over here. And in order to add any products to your wish list, you can simply go to the products page. If you want to add this product to your wish list, scroll down and here you can see add to list option. Tap on it. You can select the list you just created and there you go. That's how you can successfully add an item to your Amazon wish list. If you go back and check out the list page, there you go. The item has been successfully added to your Amazon wish list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.